Hello! Today, we're going to talk about how to use your digital textbook with My Academic Approach. To begin, we're going to log on to My Academic Approach. If you're having trouble, just click on the Forgot Password link to generate a link sent to your email. To launch the book from the Instructor view, simply go to your Resources tab and click the bookshelf. Then, scroll down to Book Materials and launch the book that you're looking to. For us, we're using the SAT Writing and Language Manual. The book will launch in a new tab. First, we'll talk about navigation tools. At the top, you can click Panel on the top left-hand corner to launch a table of contents that will link to relevant lessons. Simply navigate to the larger section and then any subsections to get to any specific lessons. Or a thumbnail view of the entire manual. You can also use the page number at the top of the screen to go to any relevant page number. Of course, these will be the printed page numbers in the manuals, not the digital PDF page number. You can also use the comments that you've made on any page to navigate to those pages. Also in the top are view controls, where you can scroll continuously page by page or in the double page format. You can also click on the zoom in and zoom out bars and activate the pan control to move around the page. In the top center are your view and annotation tools. By clicking view, you'll see the PDF without any extra bars. If you click the annotation shapes or inserts, you'll see a bar for annotation shapes and inserting tools. The annotation tools include highlighting, underlining, and adding comments or freehand texts or drawings. You can change any of the look of these annotations in the center bar. In the Insert tab, you can insert pre-made stamps as well as some flowchart diagrams. Helpfully, you can undo your last action or use the freehand erase tools to clear annotations. If you're looking for something specific, you can use the search tool to search the document using a keyword search. In the menu, you can view final options like full screen, printing, and dark mode. The exit quizzes, mixed skills reviews, and practice sections of the manuals have built-in submittable bubble sheets, accessible through the Click Here to Submit Responses link. The link will launch in a new tab, and you'll see, just as before, a PDF version of the manual with all the annotation tools in the toolbar, but now there's also a bubble sheet where you can bubble your answers in to your respective questions. You can select your answer and submit your responses. If you don't see your book in your bookshelf, go to the top and click Support Contact and submit a request to have your book added to you using your email and subject Missing Book. And that's the book materials. For more on submitting assignments in My Academic Approach, click the other how-to videos.